Are you spending countless hours editing and scheduling videos for social media? It's time to use the latest AI-powered tools to streamline your workflow and make your life easier. In this video, we've compiled the top 9 AI tools that only experienced content creators know about. These innovative tools help you quickly and effortlessly create high-quality videos without sacrificing quality or creativity. In the past, producing background-free videos was a complicated process that required knowledge of chroma keying and green screens. However, Unscreen has changed the game regarding making background-free videos. This innovative tool is a specialized platform that excels at its primary function, providing exceptional results that are sure to impress. Quinvio is a revolutionary tool that streamlines the process of creating video presentations. With Quinvio, all you need to do is outline your ideas, and the AI generates content suggestions for you to choose from. Once you've selected your spokesperson, Quinvio takes care of the rest, producing a high-quality video presentation in no time. Vrew is a video editing tool that allows you to edit your videos using text-based editing. Its AI-powered subtitle generation feature makes adding captions a breeze. Vrew also offers practical features such as silence trimmer, manuscript, import, and scene change detection. You can even use vibrant characters to bring your videos to life. Repurpose.io is a powerful tool enabling users to easily publish their video content from various platforms, including YouTube and Facebook, into over 20 short-form content pieces. This platform provides a wealth of opportunities for repurposing video content, which can greatly expand the reach and impact of your message. With Repurpose.io, the possibilities are endless for getting the most out of your video content. Vidyo is a robust AI-powered tool that enables users to transform lengthy video content into engaging short clips. This innovative software provides a wealth of features that make it easy to trim down your footage and add captivating captions, music, and special effects to improve the overall viewing experience. Vidyo provides all the necessary tools to elevate your videos to the next level, whether you're creating content for social media, video marketing, or entertainment purposes. EID represents a major breakthrough in generative AI, allowing creators to produce personalized videos featuring talking avatars. With DID, creating videos with customizable avatars has never been easier, making it a powerful tool for content creators of all types. Its innovative approach to video production creates exciting new opportunities for anonymous creators to establish a more engaging and personal connection with their audience. ElevenLabs is a cutting-edge speech software designed to empower creators to enhance their storytelling abilities. This innovative platform offers incredibly lifelike voices that are both compelling and realistic, providing a powerful tool for anyone looking to bring their stories to life and captivate their audience. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or simply someone looking to create more engaging content, ElevenLabs is the ultimate tool to help you achieve your goals. Runway ML is a cutting-edge content creation suite integrating more than 30 advanced AI tools into one platform. Thanks to its powerful AI technology and user-friendly interface, it offers a comprehensive solution for creators seeking to bring their creative ideas to fruition. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, Runway offers a range of tools to help you realize your vision. Descript is a powerful and comprehensive tool that simplifies creating and producing videos and podcasts. With Descript, you no longer need to juggle multiple programs and tools to complete your work. The platform provides a seamless end-to-end solution, including everything from video and audio editing to transcription and collaboration. With its advanced features and intuitive interface, Descript makes it easy to bring your creative vision to life and share it with your audience. And there you have it, 9 AI tools that only experienced faceless creators know about. Let us know in the comments which one you're most excited to try out, and remember to like, subscribe, and turn the notification on for more videos like this. See you in the next video.